Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be looking at chapter 3, number 23 in Physics C. So first we take the initial, the vector, which is the man pushes the mop 150 centimeters at a 120-degree angle. And the second, the resultant vector, which is the 140 centimeters at 35 degrees. Now we're going to put the unknown vector as in the green pen. So when we redraw this triangle, it's going to come out as the 150 on the left hand, 140 on the right hand, and x as the unknown, and the 85 degrees as the angle. Now we're going to be using the cosine angle theorem, where it's c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine theta. So now if we plug that into the equation, we get 150 centimeters squared plus 140 centimeters squared minus 2 times 150 times 140 times cosine 85, because 120 minus 35 equals 85. Now x equals 196.06 centimeters. Now because that was only the magnitude, we have to take the angle, and in order to find the angle, you have to take the x and y vector differently. You have to take the a vector, which is basically, let's call the a vector the 150 centimeter, first way the person mopped. So the x is 150 cosine 60, and the y vector is 150 sine 60. Now the x vector should be a negative, I forgot to put that in. And then the b vector is the resultant vector, the final vector. So that's 140 cosine 35, 140 sine 35. Now to find the unknown vector, let's call that vector r in the x direction. That would be vector r in the x direction equals the final minus initial, so vector b minus vector a, both in the x direction, 140 cosine 35 minus 150 cosine 60. Now since like I said, the x is a negative, so we put in that negative. I also forgot to end the parentheses right there. But once we put that in the calculator, we get 189.68 centimeters. Now if we take the r vector, the r by vector, they're both positive, so we're still doing finals minus initial, so 140 sine 35 minus 150 sine 60. That gives us negative 49.6 centimeters. Now when we want to find the angle, you have to take the tangent theta minus equals y over x. As a result, if you want to find the tangent theta, you have to do negative 49.6 centimeters over 189.68 centimeters. That gives you the theta angle of negative 14.65 degrees. But that will be going straight down to quadrant 4. Now, if you want to go take the other way, 360 plus that negative sign, the negative angle, you get 345 degrees, which is the right answer, and technically they're the same thing. As a result, you get the resultant vector as 160.06 centimeters at 345 degrees relative to the positive x-axis.